Now we begin with the question answer session. First, Modern School Nagpur, India will start asking questions. And as I instructed, you can raise your hand. There is a raise hand icon and you can open your cameras. First question, please.
My question is, which country is the largest producer of rice in the world? Ma'am, China.
Technical issue.
China. It's China.
Wow, right, you got the answer correct.
Next question, please.
Name the biggest exporter of rice in the world.
Aru,
China. Yes, you're correct. India.
China is the right answer, children. Next question, please.
Which country produces the most rice in Asia? Ma'am, can I answer? China. China produces the most rice. Yes, that's the right answer.
Rifat Ahmad proves that that's the right answer. Yeah, from India. Any other questions? Any more questions from India?
Yes, ma'am. What is the other name for rice? Can I answer? Can I?
Geeta Shahi. Geeta Shahi.
Paddy. It's correct.
Can we have the next question, please?
Mention 3 rice growing seasons in Bangladesh.
Ma'am, can I answer?
Ma'am, can I answer?
Aush Amon Buru.
Your answer is correct.
Well done, children. Can we have the next question?
Ma'am, my question.
Rashil. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Describe the type of soil required to cultivate rice in India.
Please repeat the question.
Describe the type of soil required to cultivate rice in India. Alluvial soil has clayey loam texture and therefore is best suited for rice cultivation.
Yeah, everybody agrees with this answer?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. The right answer, ma'am.
Any questions from other schools, from the partner schools, please? Geeta Shahi, you would like to ask any question?
Yes. Give names of a few exotic dishes of rice prepared in Nepal.
Exotic dishes. Oh. Kanishk.
Yes, ma'am. Dal bhat. Dal bhat. Yomari momo.
Yeah, it is the right answer.
Repeat, please. I want to. Repeat, please.
Dal bhat. Yomari momo.
Dal bhat yamari momo.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, Geeta. Any other questions? Wanted to ask. Okay.
Question.
Yes, Dipali. Please.
In which season does we grow rice in Nepal?
Oh, in which season they grow rice in Nepal?
Ma'am, can I answer?
Yes, Trida.
Ma'am, it is the Ahashad season in which they grow rice in Nepal.
Ashad season, it seems.
What is the main food of India?
What is the main food? Sapple food. Trida Sarkar? Yes.
Ma'am, rice.
Rice is the.
Yes, right.
Same. In Bangladesh and India, we are same. And what is the main food of Nepal?
Main food of Nepal. Kanishk?
Dal bhat.
Dal bhat.
Dal
It is
bhat.
same of Bangladesh. Dal bhat. Dal bhat and with fish. That means mashe bhate bhangali.
Ma'am, can I answer?
Can
Yes. Bhavika, what do you want to answer? For which question? This last question?
And
Yes.
ma'am, Latin soup.
Can I ask one question?
Okay. Okay, right. Kshitija would like to ask one question.
Which state is the largest producer of paddy?
In India, you have to say
Yes,
the name
ma'am.
of the in India. Okay. Which state produces more rice? And
Ma'am,
India?
can I?
Ma'am, West Bengal.
Soham Thakre.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am. It is the correct answer. West
Soham
Bengal.
Thakre, you're right. Soham Thakre, you're right. So we end with this question answer session. I would like to extend the vote of thanks to all the principals for sparing their valuable time and coordinators for guiding the students and students for maintaining the decorum and making the program successful.
Many thanks and gratitude to all of you who have been with us at home and abroad for so much a long time. Finally, wishing everyone good health and longevity. I humbly call upon S.M. Mujammil Kabir sir, ISA coordinator of our school, to deliver his speech.
Thank you. Actually, I don't know. I don't want to end this session, or it's a amazing and enjoyable session. Especially all of my students, so cute students, and really I enjoyed this session so much, and I think our students are able to know and able to learn something new, and they are able to know something about our rice or our food habits and nutrition and another. So
Thank you,
first of all,
one and all. Thank you
finally
so
thanks to Modern Schools Authority, principal, and all of the authorities, IDS coordinator who were involved these activities, and then especially I also thanks to my head teacher Shohidullah Moron, and then our staff who are always helping me and help our students. So I would like to thanks, and I would like to invite the principal and authorities and the teachers, and then others, and most welcome in my country, students also, and most welcome to visit our school in Bangladesh.
I would like to congratulate all the students who participated in this event today and have been participating on all the events of British Council. It's lovely to see children coming from different countries coming together on one platform and sharing their knowledge. It's really enriching for all of us. As I could see, Sir Kabir sir also was thoroughly into it, and I was also enjoying the additional knowledge which we are gaining from these things. Thank you so much, and congratulations to the team from our school and all the partner schools. Thank you.